Exercise 1.6a, question 18. This is a typical question where I would take a few tries maybe to get it down to lowest term. So I want to show that here because there's no problem with taking a few steps to get down to lowest terms. So for example, let's say that I look at these two numbers, 140 and 56, and I know that 56 is divisible by 7. And I know that 14 is divisible by 7, so that means 140 will be. So let's say I just go ahead and divide these both by 7. When I do that, 140 divided by 7 gets me to 20, and 56 divided by 7 gets me to 8. So I can see here that I'm not in lowest terms yet. So I'm going to divide even more. I look at 20 and 8 and I think, what's the biggest number these both share? It's a 4. But even if I chose a 2, it wouldn't be the end of the world. I would just have to keep going one more time. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. We can leave this as an improper fraction. If we wanted to go one step beyond and change this to a mixed number, we could say 2 goes into 5 2 times with 1 left over. So we could also express this as 2.5. An alternative to reducing the improper fraction first and then changing to a mixed number is to change the fraction as is to a mixed number and then reduce that. So I'm going to show that now. So let's say we want to make 140 over 56 into a mixed number. You're asking yourself, how many times does 56 go into 140? And the answer is going to be twice. It's going to go in twice, and you're going to have a remainder of 28 here out of 56. And at this point, you would have to reduce your fraction. And same thing goes. It may be once that you do it, it may be twice, it may be 3 times. Our greatest common factor here is 28. And so we will get ourselves to 2.5 using either method, changing improper to mixed first, then reducing, or reducing your improper fraction and changing to mixed number at the end.